Does the six-figure blueprint work? I am here to tell you it does. My name is Bethal Casey, and I am the creator of MadeYouSmileBack.com. This was my other account. And when I was looking for a digital product, I came across Michelle O'Neill's six-figure blueprint. That was my primary reason. When I purchased it, I read all through it and put the principles of the six-figure blueprint to work. I am an author, a professional blogger, and I wrote the book, I Just Want to Be Happy Again, which is on Amazon. Let me tell you, in January, February, and March, I sold more books than I did the entire year of 2022. So does the blueprint work? Absolutely. And I'm so proud to have a second account, daily paydays online, to promote the six-figure blueprint products. Thank you for having me.